Embedding on disk. What to do before the embedding process. 1. From the file created in CAD, export the bridge, standalone frame or crown, etc. as x_t, each alone after enlarging them by 1.2 times using the scale command. 2. Create a Zirconia disk, 98.5 mm. Create a product file, embedding to disk, and load the previously created parts file, which is the frame for the Zirconia disk, crown, single crown frame or bridge. Make the Zirconia disk semi-transparent. Place the created pattern in the appropriate position. Activate the Zirconia disk. Make a sketch on the surface of the disk. The spline command is used to create a line to hollow out around the bridge or single crown. The extrude cut command was then executed. Create a stick for holding in advance. Add this to the assembly file, load it, and move it to the proper position by adjusting its angle and orientation. If the frame is thin, for example, the stick will poke through to the inner surface. This is not a problem, as we will remove that portion later. Save the product file, embed to disk, as a part file. The parts file in the assemble file is now the feature in the parts file. Cut the inner overhang with cut with surface. In combine, the frame, connectors, and all parts are combined into one piece. Please note that forgetting to remove overhanging connectors will result in a fatal error. Convert the file to an STL file for use in CAM software. In Solidworks, features can be converted to mesh before output or directly. There is also an item called Define Maximum Element Size. The mesh of the disk itself is large, but can be made finer by setting this item. I loaded the STL file from Solidworks into another software program, Geomagic Design X64. It was displayed without any errors.